insane. Ooh. Maybe I shouldn't be stood outside in the garden. I know you'll know what I sound like. I think I better run for cover in a minute. Aren't you too nervous to run into the house? Just hear an owl. Oh my god. Wait for the next flashes to go and I'll run in. Hope you enjoyed the lightning, guys.
Did you see that 5-1?
Yeah, I got it on video. Scared me a bit. I was like, ah.
God. Hell. It's going to be bad.
That's over the top of us.
That sounded like half-hearted, didn't it, that?
Wait for me to go again. You poor little car. Outside in the fun. Oh, right, I got a cool.
I just got that.
Good.
I got it reflecting off my car.
Definitely coming overhead now. Oh, we haven't had one of these for a long time. Oh! Oh.
Film again now, the lights just got took out by it. Wow. It's lighting up the whole sky.
Shit, run.
Oh, the thunderstorms have been coming.
Not seen one like this for a long time, not in England anyway.
Yeah, America, you got nothing on this.
It's a bit wet.
Did your lights go out in your bedroom?
Yeah,
All the lights went out in the street.
Sorry.
That was in
Fan
bed.
went off.
They killed the electric for a few seconds.
Killed the electric.
Yeah, the Wi-Fi went down. It's just come back on.
Did it? Friggin' hell. That's right, isn't it? Must be at the back a bit more now. Is it at the back more now? Oh, wow.
Looked like it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
He's right over our head now.
Yeah, mine was through my head.
Oh. Oops. Where? My bedroom. I went. Oh! There we go. Guess you can all hear the rain. Got a couple of good ones. Making the screen go funny. The screen can't cope with it on the camera. I think all the lights are on in every house in the estate. Wow. It's not quite gone yet though. Wow.
That was forked, wasn't it?
Yeah. By the tree. Don't hurt the tree. Hit
No,
the...
our train's coming in for a minute.
Yep.
I don't think it wants to come down unless.
Yeah, I'm glad we're not on it tonight. Flying back for Turkey. Oh, we should turn my walkie-talkie on. Hear what Bristol Airport radar's got to say. Yeah, please avoid that thunderstorm. It's quite hard. It's hard to get swept away. The camera. Oh, that was a good aim though. I think I did, I'm not too sure. How many dad's trying to sleep in this? Got that. Ah, yes.
Can't see. Too much.